You got it! Now what? Found something more interesting. That's not a bracelet, baby. That's a rubber band. It's going to hurt your wrist. Remember, it gets really tight.
Oh, I can't tight.
Can you take it off?
I took it off.
Did you go poo-poo?
Yes, no.
What's that sticking out of your pants? And what's that smell? It's okay.
We get.
What?
We get.
Will I get it? We need to blow your nose, sugar bugger.